Want to reset your Eufy doorbell camera, but not totally sure how to do it? You're in the right place. In this guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to reset it step by step. The good news is that the process is quick and simple. So why might you need to reset your Eufy camera? Maybe you're dealing with connection problems, moving it to a new location, switching to a different Wi-Fi network, or you just want a completely fresh start. No matter the reason, the reset process is the same. Start by flipping the doorbell around and locating the small sync button on the back. It can be a little hard to spot at first because it sits almost flush with the body, but once you find it, you're ready to go. Press and hold the sync button for about 15 to 20 seconds. After a moment, the LED on the doorbell will begin flashing blue rapidly. This is your signal that the reset has started. Once you see that flashing light, release the button and let the camera complete the reset process. It will reboot on its own, which usually takes a minute or two. When it powers back up, the doorbell will be restored to its factory settings and ready for setup just like the very first time. At this point, you can reconnect it to your Wi-Fi, add it to the Eufy security app again, or move forward with whatever new setup you need.